Okay, so we're going to be talking about the special mask that you could do it at home, and it contains blueberries. As you know, blueberries are so antioxidants. The ORAC in blueberries is very high, and eating blueberries, it's very good for the whole body, especially for the memory and your brain. So you're going to be surprised what I'm going to use, and I have used for a long time to do this facial mask. It is blueberry syrup, organic blueberry syrup, and it has the blueberries and lemon juice, a natural flavor, and as a sweetener has the maltitol. So let me explain you about maltitol. Maltitol, it is a sweetener that is used instead of sugar. Maltitol has a lower index than sugar, and maltitol is extracted from maltose by hydrogenation process. And so maltitol also, some people, when they take it internally, will experience a laxity effect. So the bowels will be moving more than often. But if you have a very sensitive stomach, that won't be good for you. I buy it these just for my recipes. I don't really consume. I like it because the maltitol has a humectant effect, meaning that it's going to hold water and your cells of your skin, your layers of the skin, promoting good moisturization, hydration, and preventing the deflation of the skin. So dehydration of the skin is one of the causes of deflation of the skin. There are other causes like lack of lipids, and also when you don't drink enough water, when your body is dehydrated, and so the skin cells will suffer. And so now what you're going to do is only 2 ingredients. And so you have the blueberries that provides a super antioxidant effect. As you see, it's so dark. The darker the better, because the color indicates how much and how potent of antioxidants contains the fruit of the vegetable. So it's very, very dark. This is actually a new bottle, and it just arrived the other day, and it is called blackberrypatch.com. And so I will put the information in the description box as well in the video. So what you're going to do is use MTC coconut oil. So MTC coconut oil is a fractional oil, meaning that the molecular structure is very small to help the blueberry syrup to penetrate into the skin. And so MTC oil also very good for the skin. You could use as a cleanser and to clean your makeup. And coconut oil, it's fantastic for the skin. And the new studies says that also helps to promote collagen production. And so this is organic MTC coconut oil. And also this has that's all it is, a coconut oil. And but make sure it's organic. And MTC oil is such a good fuel for your brain, for your memory, for preventing mental disorders, and also gives you a good boost of energy. And so this combination of these two ingredients, you mix it together, and it's going to be almost like a serum. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 tablespoon of the blueberry syrup, and then 1 teaspoon of the MTC oil, and just mix it together and apply it on exfoliated skin. And so leave it for a whole hour, and then wash your face. You do your décolleté area and your face as well. And so it's going to repair the epidermal layer. Anything that has antioxidants, it restores your skin cells. Your epidermal layer is going to look more youthful and prevent more aging. It has long-term benefits. So I forgot to mention that maltitol it's also used in the cosmetic industry. You will find in some formulas and moisturizers in the market with this ingredient. It is a disaccharide sugar alcohol that is not drying, and it's almost as sweet as sugar, but like I said, with a lower glycemic index, and very good for people that suffers from diabetes and people that cannot tolerate sugar. You have to understand that our skin is mature, so the older the skin gets, the less ability to retain water. You lose lipids, you lose protein, fibers, and other elements that are necessary to have the skin nice and plump. And so now the humectants attract water from the environment when the environment is humid. And so the humectants are also used in hair, and so it's not just in the skin. And so yeah, treat yourself with formulas that have humectants and facial masks, and you're going to like this formula that I give you. And if you do it every day do it for at least a month, every single day, you're going to see a change in your skin. You're going to see the skin more rejuvenated. So I have other recipes in my videos, so just go to my channel, scroll down the videos, and just find the information, because it's very useful. It's information that is not just being said, but it's being applied in my life, and when I teach my patients as well. And so I give classes, and so they're able to learn, and it really saves them a lot of money, because they are not going out there trying to find expensive products. Once the formula, the facial mask, has ingredients that are compatible with one another, then you're going to see results. A red sea algae plant that will replace your collagen drinks. These beautiful red sea algae, it's called Irish moss or sea moss. I had made a video before, but I want to emphasize again and maybe give you more details about it. And so this Irish moss, it's rich in protein, amino acids. It has about 92 minerals. Our own body has 102 minerals, and these precious sea vegetable, Irish moss, has 92 minerals that will help to function your body better. Without minerals, your nervous system is gonna go down, your hair is gonna go down, your skin is gonna go down. This vegetable, a sea plant vegetable, has a great amount of amino acids, calcium, zinc, iodine, which is very good for your thyroid. And these Irish moss is not just good for your hair, for your skin, but for your hair. It helps with hair growth. It helps to maintain the hair follicles really healthy, and you could also apply it as mask, a facial mask, and also a hair mask, a facial mask to help firm the skin, because all the protein is going to release amino acids into the skin and help to maintain the elasticity of the skin. And remember, I said a few minutes ago, this is a good source of collagen. This is the vegetable collagen. This is what I take every day. I buy it in a bulk. This is the Irish moss powder. Even though it says red algae, the color in the powder is like this, and I buy it at my local health food store. Or you could order online. I have been doing some research. You could order on Amazon's organic. Make sure it's organic. Very important. So when you want to apply on your face as a mask, you just take like a level teaspoon and mix it with your toner without alcohol, and put a little bit of avicenne oil or coconut oil to help absorb into the skin. So more or less you test it, make it into a paste, and then apply it on your skin. You're going to like it. It helps, like I said, incredible with the elasticity of your skin. So another powder that I want to mention is the Tremella Hydration Powder. This powder, it's very important. Take note, because it helps with maximum hydration of your body from the inside out to hydrate your skin. This replaces hyaluronic acid capsules. The Irish moss replaces the collagen drinks, like I said. And this Tremella hydration powder has been used for 2,000 years in Asian countries, especially Japan, treating patients to increase the fluids of the body. As you know, when the body decreases in fluids, also your organs will degrade. Your hair, your skin, your memory. It's very important that you hydrate your body from the inside out to have proper functions in your body, to be able to have the energy, to be able not to lose electrolytes, because without those minerals, your body will degrade. Your hair, everything will become older. And so these particular powder, the Tremella powder, helps with the elasticity of the skin. It helps to brighten the skin, and also helps, like I said, with maximum hydration of your skin. And you could take 1 little teaspoon into smoothies, and early in the morning, or you could also mix it with the Irish moss, and both of them can be mixed with smoothies or drinks. I take it in the morning in my smoothies, mixing all my greens, my reds, berries, what else, beet powder. I mix a whole bunch of things, and then I use together with these 2 powders that I mentioned. And so this is the video for today, and I hope you liked it. Thumbs up, And so go and find these powders so you can replace your collagen and your hyaluronic acid and your system, because those two elements goes down really quickly as we age. At the age of 24, you're going to be decreasing in those elements. And so pay attention to your body to be able to look younger, to look more fresh, more glowing and energized. And don't forget you daily workout. So we are the anti-aging soldiers, so we need to go to the battle and fight this aging process, because it is possible. It is possible, like I said in many videos, to reverse the aging process, to slow down the aging process. We cannot stop the aging process, but we could slow down the aging process to live longer and healthier. And without the need of needles, without the need of plastic surgery, you can do it. And so this is the video for today, and stay beautiful, and I will see you in my next video, and be blessed. Love one another, and there is no need to send insults. I had a few insults this week after a long time, because when you're insulting, you're hurting yourself. Actually, you cursing yourself. You are not gaining nothing, because you're doing a bad deed, you're doing a bad action in your life, so you're putting a curse on yourself. And so when you love, when you are gentle, when you are loving to others, you are putting blessings in yourself. And so stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, bye bye.